At 10, in the complex realm of law enforcement comes split-second decisions that can be a matter of life and death. News Channel 10's Sydney Batsloff joins us now after speaking with legal experts about self-defense within the police force.
Under Texas law, everyone, including law enforcement, has the right to defend themselves from the unlawful use of deadly force. District attorneys say one issue often brought up is an officer's right when a weapon ends up being fake.
It is very difficult to determine whether a BB gun is being pointed at you or an airsoft gun is being pointed at you or a real 9mm Glock.
Whether the weapon is real or not, officers have the right to defend themselves and others.
It's anything that looks like a firearm or a deadly weapon, a knife, anything else, well, they're going to train to respond to stop that threat, both to themselves and or to anybody else that happens to be there.
We've seen real guns painted like water guns with bright colors, and we've seen BB guns and water guns painted like real guns to make them look real for purposes of robbery or intimidation. It's really up to the officer as to what he sees and perceives at the time. If he sees a threat, then he's going to have to act on it.
Randall County's criminal district attorney Robert Love believes we are seeing more of this since the constitutional carry statute was passed by Texas legislature.
There's a lot more people out there carrying guns. I think people in general need to make sure when they're carrying their gun that they use it appropriately, that they need the training and practice with firearms to make themselves proficient.
Jason Herring, the 47th District Attorney, says in his nearly 20 years as a prosecutor, he's never had an instance where there's been unlawful use of force by an officer.